Do you... Guess what has hiccups? Does your baby got hiccups? I can never take you seriously. You're just so cute. Hi. Hello, hiccup baby. And then he just wants to cuddle and cuddle and cuddle forever. Yay.